Even if you manage to run a restaurant, monitoring the orders is still a difficult process to keep. If you want to have software that provides you with a WordPress plugin for online food ordering and delivery, stick around to discover what it is about and get a special deal for you and your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Introducing Restrofood. Restrofood is a WordPress plugin for online food ordering and delivery. This software manages the restaurant and other food ordering activities. It also offers a ton of distinctive features, such as a quick checkout, a delivery location availability checker, product extras, invoice printing, free admin panels, etc., to assist in creating a profitable online food business. Any type of page builder that allows the usage of a shortcode, such as Gutenberg, Elementor, WPBakery, Visual Composer, Brave Builder, Divi Builder, etc., is supported by Restrofood. With Restrofood, the merchandise checkout process is quick and simple because customers will complete their orders from the store page and checkout is accessible from any page. Picking whichever of Restrofood's 3 distinct cart options you like best is made easy. With this software, when ordering meals, you'll receive additional product choices based on the food category. Restrofood has a wide range of customizing choices, and with the use of an address, zip code, branch, location, etc., it helps in finding the delivery location availability. Plus, it offers 6 distinct product layouts so that your customers may see your products in an appealing way. Restrofood includes 3 different sorts of admin panels. 1 shop manager admin, 2 a kitchen manager's administrative, 3 a delivery man administrative. Every relevant admin manager can effectively and efficiently manage the orders using each panel. Restrofood offers order invoices that are simple to print, making it easy to manage your online food ordering business. Most of all, it makes every order fast and convenient for delivery and pickup. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Optimize your restaurant's conversion. Try Restrofood now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.